All right, everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deo Gracious Oriokot. Today, taking you through Excel. So, what is Excel? Excel is a program that helps us to sort data and manipulate data, and it helps us in various functions like making of storing of marks, making of report cards, and very many functions. So, I'm going to take you through some of the major terms or key terms used in Excel. And just to open up, I want to show you how Excel looks like, Microsoft Excel. Yeah, this is how Excel looks, and this is what we call a spreadsheet. Uh, so our first term we are going to look at is a workbook. This is what we call a workbook. A workbook has many spreadsheets, and a workbook basically is an entire file that contains one or more spreadsheets. Like this one, find this one contains only one spreadsheet, but you can see the many sheets down here. You can open up another sheet and it's blank. We have nothing in it. We can open up another sheet. So basically this is what we call a workbook. And then a sheet is this one here you're seeing on top with these marks. This is what we call a sheet. It enables us to do our work. It contains cells, and a cell, for an example, a cell is an individual box where you can type in anything you want to put in your spreadsheet. Like this one is an example of a cell. And another term we can look at is a formula. A formula basically is an expression entered in a cell if you want to perform a specific function. If you want to perform a specific task, like for example here, you want to get the total of this. The task you want to perform is getting the total of these marks. So we shall enter in a formula. For example, our formula, you can use sum equals sum that is what we call the formula, that equals sum. Then we put the references of what we want to get the total for. You can press enter, and you see we have the total. That is what we call a formula. And then next function is the next thing is a function. A function is a predefined formula, or something that a formula that has not been activated yet. Like function, some of the functions we have include sum, average, rank. Those are functions in Excel. Then we have what we call cell reference. A cell reference is assuming is a cell reference is the location of a cell in the sheet, in the worksheet. Like when you click on this cell, and first cell reference, assuming in the formula you have typed in, like, let's go back to our formula here that we typed in for getting the sum. This is what we call the cell reference. We're getting the sum of what is here in B2. This is the cell reference, the location of the 59 in our spreadsheet. That's what we call the cell reference. Then a range is a collection of cells, like assuming in our formula still, let's go back to our formula. From we're getting the sum from B12 here, from B2 here up to E2. That's what we call a range. All these cells within that location is what we call a range. Then an active cell, I think is basically a cell that is ready to be typed in like this. It's ready to be typed in anything you want. Yeah, that's what you call an active cell. Then an inactive cell, that cell is not active because it doesn't have that cursor on it. Basically, those are some of the terms we use in Excel. I'll show you more about errors in Excel in the next video. Thank you for watching.